Want to know how to add bank details on Xero invoices? In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps so you can streamline your invoicing process and get paid faster. Before we dive into the steps, if you're new to Xero, it's a powerful online accounting software that's not just for tracking invoices, but for managing your entire business's finances. Whether you're self-employed, a small business owner, or even managing a larger company, Xero is designed to make your accounting and invoicing as simple as possible. And the best part? You can get started with Xero for free using the link below, where we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you. Now, let's get back to the task at hand, adding bank details to your invoices in Xero. The process is quick and simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up. First, start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this by clicking on your organization's name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, and then head to the Invoice Settings section. In the Invoice Settings page, look for an option called Branding Themes. This is where you can customize the appearance of your invoices. Click on the Edit button next to the branding theme you're using, and this will bring you to a page where you can modify various elements of your invoice layout. Scroll down to the section called Footer or Bank Account Details, depending on your version of Xero. Here, you'll see a text box where you can enter your bank details. This is the area where you can type your bank account information, such as your account number, bank name, and any other details you need to include for your clients. Make sure your bank account details are clear and easy to read. You might want to include instructions like, please make payments to the account listed below, or any relevant payment references your clients might need. Once you've added your details, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the page. Your bank details will now appear on all your invoices, so you won't have to manually input them each time. This saves you time and reduces the chances of mistakes. Now, what if you want to customize this even further? Xero also allows you to create multiple branding themes for different clients. So if you work with different businesses or need to send invoices in different currencies, you can adjust your bank details accordingly. For those who are managing multiple clients or different regions, this customization will make your life much easier, as you'll have all the relevant payment information ready to go on your invoices. And here's the best part. Once you've set up your bank details on your Xero invoices, you can also automate the invoicing process. Xero integrates with various payment platforms, so your clients can pay you directly from the invoice. This can drastically reduce the time it takes to get paid and improve your cash flow. Before we wrap up, remember that this is just the beginning of what you can do with Xero. Adding bank details to your invoices is a simple step, but there's so much more to discover, from invoice tracking to automation and reporting. If you want to explore Xero even further, make sure to check out the link below. We're offering an exclusive extended free trial of Xero, so you can dive in and see how it can streamline your invoicing and accounting without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and if you want more quick and easy guides like this, don't forget to check out our other videos and get started with Xero today.